You are driving down the highway, cruising along, saving fuel, when suddenly that dreaded check engine light pops on. Your heart sinks a little, right? You pull out your scanner and it spits out the code P3400. It says Cylinder Deactivation System Bank 1. Now, before you start panicking about needing a new engine, let's break down exactly what this means and why it might be a simpler fix than you think. This code is generic, meaning whether you drive a Honda, a Dodge Ram, a Chevy, or a Chrysler, the logic is pretty similar. Basically, your car's computer, the PCM, has noticed something weird with the system that shuts off half your cylinders to save gas. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine where your number 1 cylinder lives, so you will need to check your owner's manual to see which side that is on your specific V6 or V8. Don't guess on this one. These systems are clever. When you're just maintaining speed on the freeway and do not need all that horsepower, the computer tells the solenoids to close the valves on certain cylinders. It traps exhaust gas inside to act like a spring, keeping things smooth and balanced while saving you money at the pump. But when the computer tries to activate this mode and it fails, or if it gets stuck, you get this code. The symptoms can range from absolutely nothing noticeable to a rough idle, engine misfires, or just really bad fuel economy. But here's the critical part that many people miss. This system relies heavily on oil pressure to work. The solenoids use the oil pressure to physically actuate the valve. So before you go buying expensive sensors or tearing apart the engine, you need to check your oil level. Low oil is the number 1 cause of this code. If your oil is low or dirty, the system cannot build enough pressure to deactivate the cylinder, and the computer throws the code. It is that simple. Start by checking the dipstick. If it's low, top it off, clear the code, and drive it to see if it comes back. If the level is fine, you might be dealing with a bad oil pressure switch or a clogged oil passage. Also, for you Honda owners out there are specific technical service bulletins or TSBs related to this issue, specifically for models like the Pilot or Odyssey. So it's worth checking those out. If the oil is good, you will need a multimeter to test the variable valve timing solenoids to see if they are electrically dead. But honestly, 9 times out of 10, this is an oil maintenance issue. So check that fluid first, save yourself a headache, and keep that engine running smooth.